Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about paper goods, specifically for food. And some of you are going like, wait, what? All right, paper plates, paper bowls, napkins, paper towels. They have paper utensils now too if you want biodegradable. So, do you have enough paper goods to hold you over if for some reason there's no water? The water system goes out. This isn't long-term stuff. We're thinking short-term. Power could go out, city water system all of a sudden loses its pressure. It could be a construction company working and they tore up the water main. It's going to be several days for them to get it fixed. Do you have paper goods to keep on eating? Think about it. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill. Oh, and by the way, there's still some areas of the country are still in winter, so grow something indoors.